last week you beto ba kutum and the million NDC for us yatu to be human. What my yes, your mama were down and Afrifa is trying to Okatakyie is trying to set the ASANTES against a year one way and never has a John Domani mama or no soon was set the Yamianum notness against a year MPP and the American work the same thing. Yeah, Mampanina John Domani mama. The American in the work the same thing to Nibeti. Yeah, no more here as a Gombenia Santini no responding to me. Now Santefone when this Munim American Corintino or Mubia sticking a head out and sticking a neck out so Babakasa because the American Munim say no correct. And Omokofa a year Abbas Nuruddin, our no year communications officer of the Ashanti region. Anybody Abbas Babi Yimano. We are saying. The Jam says Abbas Yimano is there. What's what to do? Now what's a numta? What's what to do? What's my numta? What you are the firm from me? You welcome for say. You are the free Kumase bank. What you are the firm from what you war? You welcome for say. Are the firm from no what you know? I know you welcome for. What's that doing? Coco, I say, hey, maybe no. A Sanche Bebutunti. Moment to anchor and penny in your friend from where. Now, may accuse him say, million Muslim for nay. Many are not for any capacity. No, General is free. Momasha danso. A young one for this in Chenemetromo. I bet you. Umuya catch them say, Asante Memukwana Motino. One marginalized the ASANTES within the yet or region Agasa or Momo region. No more say, Pobia Baby, man, was your friend Abbas Nuruddin. Abbas, Mechao. When you for you, and Yama who in China, no could have walked as a Mokana Mosobino. Minya Kachana. If it was any tribalistic, no, say a tribalistic, the MPP for the NDC for the MPP. No, see, you're very tribalistic, but you were okay with it. Come on, NDC, call around and say, Asante, you're going to your Fifi Quetti, as a more Kafa, Dr. Mamadou Baumia. You're going to go.
I feel very sorry for Dr. What's name, Mamadou Baumia. Is that it? All he needs to do is to take a good look at what happened to Alhaji Aliyu Mahama. Is Mamadou Baumia actually dreaming that in the unlikely event of MPP winning power, somehow, after Akufo-Addo had run his term, he, Mamadou Baumia, will be made the candidate of the MPP? Are you dreaming, Mamadou Baumia? Are you dreaming? You don't know the party in which you are? You don't understand that if you are not an Ashanti on Achim, you have no chance?
Fifi Kwete say, don't you know that when you are not from Achem or Asante, these people are not the most normal. General Secretary Fifi Kwete and the Kasansi Kumi. And not the tribalistic because I don't walk favor million more notness or favor million more. Yes, you can say the pepe. Now, no, this is bad. Sorry, Nuruddin Abbas. Nuruddin Abbas. Now, Nuruddin, we question you. The American, what's your CA pass and I'll respond. Nuruddin, Ebia, Okatyi, Tieni, American you. Ebia, Okatyi. But the American, what's your CA pass and son of Wobaber respond now? Because me tell response, you know, it looks like one to the American. I say, now one TSC, I'm in blame because me come say. Na nya bibia make bia na obetiase because language you know me nya de make nyina na wo Nuruddin Abbas eti misusu se wantiase na wantiase afi me ba be kire mu dem kaye and you cannot simplify the conversation, you cannot reduce the whole conversation. Minimum have a conversation a free 1992 1996 the modi year PV of me 1992 1996 best in the modi year Dr. Kwame before the modi year Kwame Wadako the modi year Kwesi Obinfusu the modi year penifo bebre and why should they reduce the conversation into Ashanti regional executives. Na no kwa yenyina wa wonu asem so nie mu wa wo kumfo yenyina wa wonu asem so me be catch yourself comfort your region obai no we catch me say be chamfo e part of it na be chamfo ye deputy debate no abo we di we say ono so ye part of it we ye deputy debate no abo we di we say deputy debate na wo kura asem no abeka ye no wan kase wasa ba be confirm say comfort your region ma ba do mo do makọ ye deputy me bo a e do makọ ye chiri ana me board the front line of the NDC executive in the region me board chairman be say na ko so we fantini me board general secretary mo secretary na me say doctor Tufo Amahutufo wono ye Gabini ana me board organizer ana me board Abbas Nuruddin and board youth organizer. This is the front line of the executives in the region. Now for by we say be confirm the make can say ampa the mo executives no mo yas and the phone there o mo ye deputy CEO it one me catch us say asem no me kind one tia say what tia say can me answer your answer. And you see, I did not limit the conversation to Ashanti region. Me say Asantemai, there is a clear difference between Ashanti region and Asantemai, which extends to Ahafo, which extends to Rara. Chi de make ni. Abasi chirimwa, o party ya kachero. Enuri. Se twi am kind one tia say me hu say na mo hwehwe Asantini so obeba respond to me nanka negate Asantefo ni na so mo ma because they make an enokre wo mo suffer within the party. It also be Amanuri ni Abbas na wo ba. Na no di nyasam ne yanka wo ye bo akumfo ye do free wadi ye frem ye do free na me say Asantefo ye would they be marginalized in there na me ka Nuruddin Abbas na wo response na ade ba entie enya NDC na be fight man no Who Nurudin will position as the communications officer. Yebusasa will do a year and Quanta Northwa. Why Abuaje and a communications officer on Quanta Northwana. Yebusasa will do a young Fanti Memoir, a Kekus. Yebusasa was a Kwame a communications officer of Fanti Memoir. And I Yebusasa bedroom crier. Odoni mapel and there be if so more motiwano we here will be our two mama men more a assassin with no have a conversation. It will be responding, you know. It is more of you knowing about protecting a your position rather than thinking as I'm not making. Now some make it your war. The other was about responding my Santa for. It have a yenchen no dinabas. And come meeting in the more NDC for you are a beneficiary of this conversation. There's a work party yet tribal politics. And you should tribal politics and you're gaining effect in Ghana. We NDC for a party Biama. And Yami Penny say any Asante may Chirabia Modia Asante within the party. Modia Asante within the NDC party. No Nabas, as someone make a young Konyon or John Dramani Mama. Now before the no Nabas say, you're John Dramani Mama by or appointee or TJ or appointee one Mensa or appointee one way or appointee one way will be about or appoint to be. Obiaba or appoint to be. Now make sure conversation and I may have say, Mompesa Asante for Babadi, sa conversation mo party no anymore. Mompe. Lodi Mompe. Yentia Jomama and Numasem. Na Yenina Jomama Numasem from one comfort. Yenji.
I feel sad when I see some of our northern brothers running around and also doing this. They will use you and dump you. I want to live to see the day. You let anything happen today, and let our brother Bamia say he's standing for president in NDP. They will never give it to him. I can assure you. When the misfortune hits us, and our father Pastor Mills pastor.
Ora John Dramani Mahama say. Onwa wo pitini nuanom esabisirimfo say wo mo join the MPP because MPP will never allow you to come and lead the wo mo party we yesirimnia we yam na make John Dramani Mahama conversation wo have ya and no you don't see anything wrong that conversation no e bi na be ne wo have ni Kenya bi wadinu no ni about you think it's about appointing someone as a minister of Yabe appointed time John Dramani Mahama kasa asemu yi na Dominic Nitiwu ye minister of defense it no nim say nuanom notness e wo Akufo-Addo abem Tama John Dramani Mahama kasa asemu yi no nim say Ambrose Derry interior minister it no nim say nuanom notness wo MPP abem Tama John Dramani Mahama kasa asemu yi na Dr. Mamadou Bawumia ye vice president enso no nim say nuanom e wo MPP abem enso kasa asemu di ntia if say was MPP tribalistic na wonya kan ye Mahama media nimu yes na John Dramani Mahama kai. It is not about who appoints which minister. In any case, appointment of ministers. Appointment. John Dramani Mahama ba edu baby when you Asante for munyina. Yeah no kofa we mensa dey call head. That's a better matter of Jogweni. Now, over the years with the help of the Ahoys, there's been this notion and misconception say as a NDC ni vote obenya nyina no say yenya mfantefo na nkanwa a self-serving notion enya no kore enya ntro. Ye be waya nim ye nyina ye hunu. And you better vote to NDC nya wa Asante Memu. Near they compare any other tribe be a workroom ha. So when you vote to Chenya. Chile make you be wadwim. 1996. JJ Rollins Ebano. Okofa aka. The notion was that JJ Rollins will get more vote in the central region. Let's even assume that central region, the whole of central region, which comprises of Asan the Keka ho. Let's even assume omunyina ya mfantefo. Let's assume so. You better vote to NDC nya ho. Of course, enya no kwese central region nya mfantefo. But the entire choose Fantifo see a vote. You better the whole of central region. Because besides central region, Fantifo be the baby you. They make out say, unlike ASANTES, the Timitra other regions, besides central region, Fantifo be the baby you. If you Fantifo nyina was central region, yeah, and you better vote to NDC in the central region. Near the compare vote to NDC in was central region and Asante Mem. Come you know. Messi you better vote to NDC in was central region. The entire free 1992. You choose vice everywhere choose. Near the compare move vote to Munyan was central region number 1 and Asante Mem in general. That's a better place our game we. Now, we people say the entire assassin we here. The entire here say when there is a deliberate attempt to marginalize a certain group of people, those people will never feel happy. It may more example. PV obeying Professor J.E. Mills. Now do we they were at par, and now better still, PV obeying bench Professor J.E. Mills. They say PV obeying Professor J.E. Mills. So do we either so my being pet and a PV obeying bench channel. It is a basic coach running mate. That's yes, any PV obeying. One more misconception and the notion that they've used and they say you choose PV Obia we won't get more vote because Asante for them NDC party one more misconception ahoy mo na try trust this notion you know one more that JJ Rollins here one more say that yes time Professor Mills kweba mo so mumfa obeda samwa ahoy mo say that no say Debbie obeda samwa kweba ma the votarians in the NDC no we will overplay that influence omoboa for more interest entini padodo beto aba mo munti ana mo choose Professor Mills over PV Obia and then you trust and you correct. Edu Asante region, omunya more vote in Asante region more than omunya more vote in central region. And you fire no Fantifo, omunya more vote in Asante 4, HS omunya more vote in Fantifo. eti ye betro ni mienu nyina se koduru se ye fa obi ni ase pa kwase mi sa atagina ha Dr. Kwamnadu fo gina ha wo mu mienu nyina ba bank e wo ma be pepepe omo menya Dr. Kwamnadu fo kwa de obi e bank e mienu so wonim se de bank ni adwuma eti kai in any case or more a CV chan e pa kwase mi sata. The only reason John Dramani Mahama will choose Pakwesi Misata is because Ose. So you choose Pakwesi Misata, Obenya more vote in the central region than Obenya in Asante. Again, we are going to compare the Asante region and the central region. Vis-a-vis Yaniamo Fantifo vote, and Yaniama Santema vote. They are being marginalized on falsehood. Nasa sabi ye deliberate see be choose obi ehun hia dia. MPP foko choose Aliu Mahama Obaye. Ne yase sabi MPP for tan Yaniamo notness. And they not na aba be janimu. It was a deliberate attempt. NDC kwade mo succession plan bi. Said Obaba vice president no, automatically there is a way a Musa man be president here. That is how come one. So put John Dramani Mahama any Alban Sumani Babin down. Any day, anytime, Alban Sumani Babin is a better candidate than John Dramani Mahama. Again, Tina Wunya edge over a Alban Sumani Babin. It is because there was a deliberate attempt to pick him to come and represent number 2. And yes, sir, I don't know if you want to be number 1. No. So nobody can downplay a deliberate attempt to make any of the tribes a number 2. And from 1992, you've been overplaying this a year. Fanti card, Fanti Nyanko, Fantine, Fantini, Nyabu, Wamobwa, a Yahoi for the plan. Just to hold power. I am not afraid. I will say it as it is. You better vote to a free Asante region. Near vote to a free central region. Near vote to a free Fantifo. Near vote to a free Asante Maimu. Near say no cry. And you know correct. The fact that they will choose Professor J.E. Mills, they will choose Aka. Wamu moving free wa na Professor J.E. Mills eba. Was all call nothing. Now on choose Obeda Samoa ye because that will be overplaying of the importance of the votarians in a year at the NDC. Ejine votarians no kwamoti wo o madan so mo na gwawante ya pa mo free party nim and ye dey position kitinkiti bi krokro mo after jeje rollins so much you votarian bia so mara me running mate na campus watimi ade ni mumbu anya no kore so the Ahoy brothers and some key people be within the NDC wa mo tan ya Asante 4 it's that simple. You cannot downplay the importance of see a shed choose will be say be running mate. If it's a free one by Professor Mills, no, JJ Rollins running mate. And they say, well, we are not going to do Rollins, and you couldn't Janua, and where your best succeeding. No, it is what do declaration. And no, JJ Rollins, co page Professor Mills, and sir, a tro. It's on misconception and it's on falsehood. Now, Muchusu Professor J.E. Mills, Obaba succeeded JJ Rollins. And Muchusu, a J.E. Mills, a Chusu, a John Dramani Mahama, and then a Babawini, Obaba succeeded Professor Mills. John Dramani Mahama candidate to Bechu, you know, the likelihood that per the convention of the NDC, he will come and succeed. And now, Crawford, more play too much of a Fanti and the Northern Cat. Other people within the NDC also deserve the chance to lead them. I'm going to say, aha, Munianma, you are going to focus here, you more free party, Namu, 50 quoted. And I'm more permission at the Gomba for cry here. I will not know Crawford, so more permission, you are free, you are free. And you people cannot see it. It may be when you become what. Now, you're a voting party, no? Na yan hwesa ampani ampa se wo chusu Fantinia e the vote be brew chain wo chusu Asantinia na yebuza and ya kan Asante America ga kire se Asante ne nya Asante region ko a that notion take it away. Asante encompasses even a half region Esunafo south Esunafo north offense south offense north most regions you know Raura are part of Asante. It is a wo chusu obi based on the tribe until the wo chusu ne dia ya figures about 2020 election. Someone saw marginalizing the Asantes in the NDC with some false notions say Asante form per party no near Kwakam say oh I settlers in the community in the Tomai or say a settlers community or say a settlers community or much about NDC da monko aswa se kwa na monko vote omunya aswa se a settlers community aswa constituency monko vote to NDC munya na monhwa aswa se a settlers community se settlers ne to aba medical catch say within the Asante region enya settlers bia na to aba NDC who ye ya de to ma wo mo enso mo fa ye nkrofo na nya hwe I'm so in a tribe back, and yet the another when this is your mamma. Miss Mumia said, your mamma, you may take your mamma.
Sometimes I feel sad when I see some of our northern brothers running around and also doing this. They will use you and dump you. I want to live to see the day. You let anything happen today, and let our brother Bamia say he's standing for president in NDC. They will never give it to him. I can assure you. When the misfortune hit us, and our father Professor Mills passed up.
Jomama tanya Asante 4 times Asante 40. What a woman you will regional chairman. Eba be kan sem hu say why all of a sudden the Asante boys want to lead the NDC. Now what you was saying?
And let's come to Kwajobonso or Zebonso. He is from Offenso. I'm wondering why the Ashantis are so eager to become president and this when they are not doing their homework well. But it's a good brand, you know.
Yet our kind was saying say e kokwo mu nsam a omuka. Ano na nya kukudu abeka na bonten. Eti wonu antimi anka de no no besere. Sa na tie. ya mamu kan nyan masantifo bi anhye we ga wo say and you see the biggest market yate ya da so see na be see the biggest market na human capital na ewum no wo so be use o madam po ma o the market na ye dia ya human capital na was our region ni mu no wo so be see market the biggest market yate ya da se na mo ye wie human capital use o ma no madam po o mo nko mo ni mabrabom wo jo ndoma ni mama nya greediness kura no aka ba ya wo free 2016 aka 12 years mu ne yakoi aka titi go bi aka sabri ko ne NDC animo it's what with the importance of leading a party. Okwa baba be DP. Now you hear the figures. A do presidential election. One vote in Asante region is the same as a vote in voter region. Yeah, electoral college system. Like I say, you win it on a regional basis. Into the number of regions I'll be winning and the chair points. Yes, sir. You do election you 50 plus 1. It's a 50 no, any plus 1 no. So when you 2 Asante mem, so you 3 voter. So you know, ni na count in the year. 1 vote me what. Now you 2020 election on regional basis. TDA. Central region no enti da bia you go choose nkrofo free one. On ba no mo dia dada mo and the central region no which you so be free we will enya no correct is a lie, it's a falsehood, it's palpable false. NDC nya the whole central region 524,038 taking here 524,038. These are certified results of the EC. The whole central region. Greater Accra region NDC nya 1,326,596 NDC. Etuwemwa 2020 election the NDC nya akase pa Greater Accra region. The NDC near World Bank in voter region, World Bank in voter region. World Bank no new even susubribi a microfinance kra. I'm telling you. O compare World Bank to Asante region. A new susubribi microfinance. Enya no correct. Ya World Bank nya ko bisom say World Bank mu nya say wo ha. Wo mu nya 606,424. Greater Accra e de 1.3 million e bremo. Mo World Bank in the 606,000 e de bremo. And so mo say why World Bank it yenti hojai. And yes Asante region nya World Bank yango go de mu nya ho. Mo na mo see Asante form party no. When I must see settlers in the Twaba, and I don't see a cocoa settlers or more Santimemu, Asante region to be precise. Wamodo do even 10% of 5.4 million. It is our settlers, no. Asante region, Wamunya 652,000. It is who said, Oko do a more bank voter region, Asante region will move more vote than a voter region. As I never say, Asante region, it is also so be free a year Santimemu. When you more vote in Asante region than you get in voter region, than you get in central region credit account. Now could do have for womunya 116,485. Medical catch say a year soon for south, soon for turn on north, turn on south, Nina can Santama home, Amanka, we say half region. Half region womunya 116,485 NDC. It is a year for Rara. Yeah, for half no south, half for a Sutifi south, a Sutifi north, a Sunafo south, a Sunafo north, and the Abeka Asante region. Say you can the unit of Asantemaya. NDC for 748,082. Tiede mekaye. Vote NDC nya every Asante meme nka Asante region. Asante memu. Omunya 748,082. By extension, if your central region e wodi enuanu nyina fantifo gua. That means fantifo kwa and obviously obo about central region nyina na fantifo. If you could do central region as a whole and the enuanu fantifo they don't extend to any other part. Except to omo to kwa kotra baby. Na mum say Asante mai e kati across e kokko e dabi. Fantemai there and one central region. And no na asemfo wo munya fantifo ayi for na so be kan nyina aboa no e dia mamo se ibi ye consider so munya ya fantifo kura vote munya ho 524,038. Ye nuanum voters, let's assume that all the voter region ye nuanum amunafo and Angona kingdom no it does not extend to any part apart from voter region. Let's assume that omunya ya amunafo so omunya ya amunafo kura vote omu de bramo ye 606,424. And let's assume that Asante Manyina beyond the borders of Asante region, much you be a vote 748,082. Assuming without admitting so much Asante for. It is that notion that you choose be your Fante. Over the years, more downplay, more overplay the Fante a year, and no a hoy money place I game with your mice. And no idea about the Bekai one tears here. Become a say, and I want him to say, and I say, and I want you to say, Bimano. Now we're going to answer the most of the Diabas. As I'm not making. As somebody may catch us the dominance of Yenuanu Mwaka in the NDC party and how hostile you are towards the Asantes. That was a small bit from Rabbi Yanua. Once I assume Nuru Diabas, now what can you want Sunday? John the Mani Mama Asante 4. One pass Asante 4 some. What pass Asante 4 some come say, what buy your TJ we need for the cabinet. We know. Yeah, who did that? Baku America to STC, very simple. Maybe refugee. And you say, one share any year of the go to STC. What do you remedy? We okay, you could choose Fantini because we want them Fanti vote. Fanti vote to be any baby. Fanti vote to near 524,000. Wamubwa, ya wayani, continue na mekunko.